Hi, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. Today we're going to look at one specific sound. Now this sound is the I sound, and it can actually be written in lots of different ways. So I'm going to show you some of the different ways that you might see the I sound written in words. Okay, so the I sound can be written like this. I, that's like at the end of the word pie. Okay, so that says I. This one says I, and that's a trigraph because it's got three letters that make one sound. So that says I, and we have done that one before in things like light and sight, night. Okay, so we've got I. We also have the split vowel digraph I, so like in bike, and the consonant would go in here. Okay, so it's basically that one split up, okay, with a sound in the middle, so something like bike. And then the one that we're focusing on today is this one. Okay, so at the ends of words sometimes the letter Y actually makes the I sound. But before we talk about that, I want to discuss this, okay, because I and Y never ever go together, okay, and that's a habit where some of you, sometimes you learn that this makes the I sound, but get a bit muddled up because it's got the letter I in it, and we know the IE as well, so sometimes we see this at the ends of words like my. Okay, so you need to really remember that these two letters, there's no word in English where these two letters go next to each other. Okay, that never ever happens. So I've put a big cross through it. So I and Y never goes together. But we do have the letter Y making the I sound at the ends of some words. So that one of those words is this, and that says cry, cry. Okay, and I want you to have a think now of some other words that end in the letter Y with it making the I sound. So just like cry, have a go and see if you can write some down. They're usually quite short words, usually one syllable. Okay, so see if you can think of some of those words now. Pause the video and off you go. Okay, let's see how you've done. So there's one that you write quite a lot, I would imagine, which is this one. And this says my. Okay, and although you might think, oh, it's a really short word, it's really easy, when you've learned all those other ways to make the I sound, it's quite hard to remember which I sound to put at the end of words. So that is my. Okay, and just like my, we have by. Okay, so we've got by there. So we've got my and by. I showed you cry. We also have this one, sound that one out. Fly, fly. And also, if you can't really say it as a y sound at the end, because fly doesn't really work, does it? So it's about reading that whole word and thinking, is that an actual real word as well? So we've got fly, and we've got, that's one of our dr words, isn't it? Dry, dry. Remember, it's not a j, it's a dr, dry. And one of our question words, which we've done before as well, this one. Why? Why? Okay, so all of those end with that letter Y making the I sound. And that is one of our kind of alternative phonemes, alternative graphemes for the same phoneme. Okay, so different ways of writing the same sound. But the most important thing is not that ever. Okay, right, so now it's time to write a sentence. You can read my sentence with me and then have a go at writing your own. So here is my sentence, nice and short, but I've got two of my words in there. So we've got my, long one, but you can do it, clothes, clothes were dry. My clothes were dry. After I hung them on the washing line, they were dry. My clothes were dry. Okay, so you can pick one or two of those I words and you can write your own sentence at home now. Okay, so good luck with that, and I will see you back here tomorrow.